Hello everyone, you all are listening me on Unacademy online platform. This topic is a evergreen topic and always have a question in my classroom program also. So what actually Iron Dome is? So Iron Dome is a actually interceptor. Those we can use is again missile. Okay, against coming missile we can use it. So that's why this interceptor is anti-missile missile. So what about the concept of Iron Dome? Those are always important. Even whenever the topic of discussion, the defense technology is connecting with the interceptor. So always Iron Dome is a topic. Okay. So this topic currently with the science and tech, and as you people know whatever regarding the science and tech and environment based all the current updates videos I made for all of you on Unacademy YouTube platform. This is my lesson number 53, and here before this video I already made 52 lessons for all of you for the recent in this examinations like UPSC civil service and other state basis examination and a part of other examination where the defense have a lot of importance. So this video will helpful to all of you. Before going to start my lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my PhD from IIT Delhi. I'm a director of Purvanchal IS, where I'm providing you the face-to-face classes at Gorakhpur with all the Delhi-based teams. So you people don't have to waste your time and money to move away from the Gorakhpur if you're nearby area. So you can stay connect with me here. I'm taking your classes of science, tech, and environment, and apart of from last 18 years, I'm taking the classes for UPSC civil service examination. 1,000+ selection already happened. I have written 2 books. The one is on science and tech and second is on environment, and both 2 books published under the McGraw-Hill platform. My Telegram channel you can see here like t.me/Ravi UPSC_Unacademy. Here you can find out my all the entire PDF, and a part of the PDF guys, my all the special classes. Here you can find out my PDF, and a part of my all the video links I also share here with all of you guys. So it's a one-stop solution for all of you regarding the science, tech, and environment. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my plus classes, and a part of the plus classes, a lot of the free special classes I also made, and time to time I come online with all of you for this. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you are using it, you will get extra 10% discount in fee structure. India's best educators for UPSC CSE, they all are available on Unacademy live sessions. That the list of the teachers you can see here, and they all are the highly experienced faculties in UPSC civil services teaching. Unacademy announces the mains mentorship programs for 2020-22 for UPSC CSE learners, and if you are interested to, you please scan this code and get the benefit of it. Here you can get the answer writing program, live mentorship with the type educators, top educators. You people will connect here. So it's a single window platform for all of you for the all entire complete preparations. So now the price of Unacademy is going to hike 20% soon. So before going to hike the price guys, you people join the course, and if you people are using the Ravi UPSC code, so extra 10% discount you will get it whatever the fee right now. Unacademy providing you the CSE Assure options. In the CSE Assure option guys, if you people are going to join a courses of 2 years and above subscriptions, so extra year subscriptions if you have a need of it during your preparations, so Unacademy is ready to support you for the extra extension of the courses. And these courses are valid up to 25th May. This offer is valid, don't miss it. And during joining the courses, kindly use the code Ravi UPSC. Now get the Prelims Practice booklet for 7,500 rupees freely for all of you till 25th May 2022. So 10 print printed booklets will also be freely available, where 10,000+ topic wise questions discussions that will be very beneficial to all of you. UPSC CSE GS Mega Combat, that is for the current affairs special in this Sunday on 29th May at 11 AM. So don't miss it guys. Ravi UPSC is the code, you use it, and here you will get a lot of rewards also. So finally we are there in that topic. I made this video for all of you, and the topic is the Iron Dome, and this topic is connected with the defense, science, and technology based topics. Actually Iron Dome is a evergreen topic, always in the news. Still have no question I have seen in your paper. Iron Dome is an air defense system, and as I told you, it is an interceptor. Okay, I told you this is an interceptor. Interceptor means it is an anti-missile missile. It is an anti-missile missile. Anti-missile missile means guys, against coming missile of enemy countries, you can apply it and you can destroy them. In this cases, your property, your land, your peoples, everything will be safe and secure. Okay, so Iron Dome is an air defense system and work as an intercept. Okay, and shoot down the 100 of the rocket from the Gaza at the latest round of escalations between the Israel and Palestine in the May 2021 engulfed the regions. A very simple guys, actually Palestine and Israel war is very common, everybody know. But here I'll tell you that Israel is very advanced country, and with the help of America, Israel has developed Iron Dome technology as an interceptor. And in May 2021, it was a news, guys, like Israel is even going to use Iron Dome against the Philistine. The very simple, what is Iron Dome, how it is very popular, and why it is always in the news, and why in the classroom that student always asks Iron Dome. After listening this video, you will understand. The Iron Dome, the beauty of the Iron Dome is what it is effective truck towed, guys. So through the help of truck, you people can carry from one place to the place. So I can tell you it is a mobile. Mobile means movement. Okay, it's possible on this truck. It is a multi-mission mobile all-weather air defense system. It is being developed by Rafael Advanced Defense System and Israel Aerospace Industries. Again, I repeat, it is developed by Rafael Advanced Defense System and Israel Aerospace Industries. And the system has been developed by the counter very short range rockets. Again, short range rocket, but one thing more, the distance is up to 4 km to 70 km as against coming missile we can use it. It means it is a interceptor. And see one thing more, guys, the beauty of this Iron Dome is in all weather condition it can move, like the rain is heavy, rain is there, low cloud, dust storms, okay, weather is so worst, in that cases fog and all, that is the best one. It protects the population and the critical assets for incoming threats, guys. Okay, it protects the population, the critical asset from the incoming threats. You must be know, guys. And see one thing more, that 2500, okay, the one very interesting feature about 2500 approx incoming targets it can make. So more than 2500 incoming targets it can make with a 90% accuracy. How interesting it is, guys. Even Israel is totally surrounded by everywhere, have a surrounding enemy countries, but still Israel is safe because of what? See 2500 incoming targets it can destroy in one moment of time with 90% accuracy. And this Iron Dome provide this type of benefit to the Israel, guys. Iron Dome detects, analyze and intercept the range of incoming threats very easily, guys. Against the guided missiles, against the cruise missile, again unmanned aerial vehicles, everything threats, Iron Dome is the best options. Iron Dome is the best options. Okay, how Iron Dome is working now, I'll explain with you, guys. It is deployed in the Israeli Air Force in the March 2011. Okay, and it was selected as the best option for the Israel defense system by Israel Defense Ministry. Okay, and see it is protected Israeli northern and the southern border areas against the coming threats, guys, and for that purpose it is working right now. Actually in the Iron Dome you will see there is different types. The one is the I-Dome system, this again the C-Dome system. I-Dome system is a mobile version of the system and C-Dome is a naval version of the system. So I-Dome is a mobile version, during movement you can use it, and C-Dome for the Navy purposes they can use it. So that name wise you remember, the I-Dome is for mobile version of system, it can carry with the help of truck, and C-Dome is a naval versions. See, this is the working mechanism of Iron Dome. Iron Dome is composed of the three fundamental elements. What about the three fundamental elements? You can see on the screen. Our detection and tracking radar system is there. A battle management and weapon control system is there. And third one is a missile firing unit is there. Our detection and tracking of radar, definitely radar is generating the radio waves. And radio wave is what? It is a non-directional wave. So the waves is moving everywhere in the surroundings. Battle management and weapon control system, guys, again it is doing all the control systems. Okay, and it is being developed by the press system engaged by the Rafael companies, and missile firing unit that totally send the missiles against the coming missile. How the system is working here is not much more clear, but whenever you see the picture, guys, it will be very, very clear. So in this picture I just try to inform you, enemy artilleries, any of the missiles are coming towards you, and this is, suppose this is the entire Israel areas. It is totally Iron Dome shield. Iron Dome shield. How Iron Dome shield is working there? See, guys, our radar system is detection and tracking radars. Okay, that will do the surrounding of the areas. They will do the checking of the missiles, coming missile in the surrounding of Israel. Battle management and control system will become active, and then the missile firing unit start and to fire their own missiles, and this missile will hit to the against coming missile as an interceptor. So this is the system, that one, detection and tracking radar, the one mode. Second one is a battle management control, second mode, and third one is a missile firing unit. In that way the whole entire interceptor is working in this case. Next one, guys, how the system is working, again in the theoretical point of view I mentioned here. After detection identification of enemy artilleries, the Iron Dome radar monitors its path. BMC analyzes the path of the threats, and MFU is just BMC, BMC this is analyzing the path from which path the systems are coming. And the next one is about MFU, you know very well, that is a missile firing unit. Missile firing unit, accordingly it will launch the missiles and destroy the interceptors. Okay, in this case the incoming enemy artillery to detonate it over the neutral areas. So that is the point. How the missile system is working, see here, guys, day and night all weather capabilities. Okay, quick reaction time, adapt to rapidly evolving threats, handle multiple threats at the same times, and yes, special warhead allows to detonate any target in the air. So these are the very beauty of this missile system that you can see here, guys. In all weather, I told you many times, day night capability is excellent. Suddenly it will give the response. That's why interceptor will be very beneficial and save you people and your properties. Okay, it adopt the rapidly evolving threats. Any of the threats suddenly is going to come towards you, so it can neutralize them. So in that way, guys, this type of system is beautiful for the safety and security of any nation like Israel. I spoken you guys, Israel is surrounded by enemies, but still Israel is safe because of this type of systems. I hope you understood why in the classroom and everywhere the Iron Dome always in the news. Okay, a vertical launch interceptor, like vertically you will launch directly, not as a horizontal like. Warhead and the proximity fuse is better. Mobile, through movement you can launch it. Compatibility and the various radar and detection system. So definitely it will work with the help of various different types of radar system properly. Actually, if you'll see, guys, so this is a Iron Dome defense system has been recently upgraded to be able to deliver the capability of simultaneous shoot down the multiple complex threats. Even any rockets, any unmanned vehicles, yeah, missile salvos. Okay, this one can be used. But one thing more I'll tell you guys. Total 3 tests of Iron Dome has been done. Okay, total 3 tests of Iron Dome in this series already have been done, and the latest test was in March 2021. The latest test was in March 2021. And see one thing more in this case, Iron Dome is an air defense missile system. Okay, air defense missile system, and it was being developed with the help of 2 Israeli firm and one and the US companies. I spoken you in the beginning, guys, the Iron Dome those Israel made successful, it is with the help of US. Okay, and it is never used to attack or retaliate the poses, though no threat to the Palestinians. Okay, but yes, it is an option that Israel can be used against the Palestinians. One more question that I would like to discuss with you, that S-400 was recently in the news, and S-400 was a mains question paper of 2020-21. Okay, S-400 India got from the Russia, and before the S-400 that upgraded was S-300 India also got earlier from the Russia. In the case of S-400 missiles, whatever India got it, okay, okay, how what was the comparison with the Iron Dome? I'll tell you guys, those India have S-400 is better than the Iron Dome. Why it is better than the Iron Dome? You can find out. S-400 has a capacity to protect a much larger area. Okay, in this one aspect, and even the much farther distance based threats, this S-400 missile also can detect and can destroy them. So in this comparison of Iron Dome, S-400 is definitely better. It was a mains question paper of 2021. The one lot of the S-400 is already entered in India long back, around 1 year back, and it is working in the Punjab areas, and that another lot of the S-400 missile is in the news, like very soon it will come to India from the Russia. So in this way, S-400 is a Russian, but Iron Dome is a contribution of Israel and America. So it was overall the topic that is for my discussion, and I hope you will understand everything properly here in the very simple way, to develop a picture in the lucid manner I try to discuss with you. For this entire PDF, you people go and connect with the Telegram channel, and a part of this, all the video links time to time also share you here in this case. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find all the plus classes, and a part of many of the special classes also available here. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any courses, kindly use it. Extra 10% discount you will get here. Iconic subscription, I have spoken you guys, it's a best option for all of you. Here Unacademy is providing the mentorship facilities, and here the live mentorship, it will help you in this case of your preparations. Mains question answer practices, we are providing study planning, what to do, how to do. In these cases we are helping you. An open house with the educators, you are getting the benefit to connect with the educators. Unacademy subscription is providing you the plus and iconic subscriptions, and here the code is a Ravi UPSC. If you are using it, the extra 10% fees discount you will get with the help of Ravi UPSC code. Not only for general studies, even this discount you will get in the case of optional subject also with the Ravi UPSC code. So Unacademy is also giving you the 0% EMI based loan facilities. If anybody have a financial crunch, so you can take this benefit also. A part of regarding the doubt session, Unacademy brought a new initiative for all of you. Here dedicated doubt solving session with the help of mentors. They are ready to help you always. You can see on the screen on the basis of given subjects. Unacademy is the new batch is going to start from the 25th May 2020-22 for 23 and 24, and these batches are in the all languages, in Hindi medium, in the bilingual, and also in the English medium. Here you are getting the 20 GS booklets also. As a launching optional 15 plus option, Unacademy is going to start from the 5th June onwards, and the optional courses are very important to score more in your mains examination to get a proper IAS as a ranking in top 100 students. So that for that purpose, Unacademy is ready to help you in the case of optional courses. Right now you can see on the screen. Why Unacademy is the best one? The 10 reasons that I specified the Unacademy as we are different from the other one. Learn from the best educators of India. That pictures you already have seen. Flexibility to change the optional subjects easily. Flexible hours of learning. Offline centers are major hub in India. Dedicated doubt solving sessions. Best in the class learner rating. Printed comprehensive notes. The 20 GS booklet I told you we are providing you. Complete preparation with the interview guidance. We people are always with you. Live mentorship session and daily answer writing practices for the mains. Unacademy is also providing you. And my courses of science and tech environment is running now. As I spoken you guys, 30 plus questions are the weightage of these two subjects only, and a lot of the myth and the confusion with the subject now you are ready to solve with me, and I am ready to help you also. Okay, and now this all the courses are available in the plus courses, and my code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any classes you use it. And at last I'll advise to all of you guys, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share this video to all every groups and all the serious aspirants, and for this PDF you go and download from this Telegram. So thank you everyone, God bless you, and meet you soon in the next class with some new other topic. Take care yourself, have a good day, bye, Jai Hind.